Hello and welcome to 3.TV. I am Ruchi Sharma.
And I am Vishakha Thakur.
Bitmine Immersion Technologies plans to raise up to $20 billion through an expanded at-the-market offering according to a fresh SEC filing.
Wow, so the proceeds will partly fund Ethereum purchases, diversifying beyond mining rewards.
The new prospectus supplement filed August 11th increases total stock sale capacity to $24.5 billion.
And before this expansion, Bitmine had already sold $4.5 billion in shares, leaving $723 million from prior authorization.
So the ATM structure allows gradual sales on exchanges like NYSE American.
And if fully realized, this financing would be among the largest in crypto, strengthening Bitmine's DeFi presence as well as ETH reserves.
Talking about another interesting update, Fundamental Global has filed a $5 billion shelf registration with the US SEC to expand its Ethereum Treasury strategy, aiming for a 10% network stake.
So soon to be renamed FG Nexus, the Nasdaq-listed firm plans to become the largest corporate ETH holder, surpassing Bitmine as well as SharpLink.
The filing includes $4 billion in at-the-market stock sales, with the remainder in preferred stock, debt, or other securities.
And the company seeks gains from ETH price growth, staking rewards, and tokenized real-world assets, citing accelerating institutional adoption of digital assets.
Also, Hong Kong-listed Huajian Medical has launched a global enhanced Ethereum Treasury strategy, making ETH its main reserve asset.
The company purchased 5,190 ETH for HKD $149 million, that is $3,661 each, gaining $1.8 million in one day as prices topped $4,000.
So plans include adding $112 million in ETH, with a total allocation target of 880 million Hong Kong dollars. Huajian joins firms like Bitmine, SharpLink, and Coinbase in major ETH holdings, contributing to the collective 1.74 million ETH owned by public companies, according to CoinGecko.
Right, and corporates are adopting the strategy playbook. In fact, Strategy purchased 155 bitcoins for $18 million and at $116,401 each, raising total holdings to 628,946 BTC, acquired for $46.09 billion at an average of $73,288 per coin.
So this year's BTC yield stands at 25%, with Michael Saylor's unrealized profit exceeding $30 billion.
Right, and recent buys include 821 BTC on July 29, 862 Bitcoin on July 21st, and 844 Bitcoin on July 14, all yielding profits.
Strategy stock rose 6.08% after the latest purchase. The company's dollar cost averaging plan continues regardless of short-term price fluctuations.
Now, simultaneously, Japan's Metaplanet has added 518 Bitcoin to its treasury for about $61.4 million at an average price of $118,519 per coin.
This raises its total holdings to 18,113 BTC, bought for $1.85 billion at an average price of $101,911 each.
And the latest purchase, completed on August 12, follows a July acquisition of 463 Bitcoin for $53.7 million.
Metaplanet's rapid accumulation mirrors other Bitcoin-focused firms like Strategy.
And analysts say that such concentrated corporate purchases reflect growing institutional adoption and the Bitcoin standard approach to treasury management.
Well, in another interesting update, Nasdaq-listed CEA Industries has purchased 200,000 Binance coins worth $160 million, becoming the largest corporate holder of BNB.
And the acquisition is the first step in a $500 million treasury plan, with potential expansion to $1.25 billion.
Funded by 10x Capital and YZI Labs, the purchase comes amid BNB's global user base of 250 million and daily trading volume of $9.3 billion.
And BNC aims to boost institutional BNB adoption in the US, offering indirect exposure through its treasury model, eliminating the need for investors to hold BNB directly.
Furthermore, Nasdaq-listed Safety Shot has secured $25 million worth of Bonk tokens for its treasury after acquiring a 10% revenue stake in Solana-based launchpad Bonk.fun.
And the platform, which generated $35 million in July user fees, leads Solana's memecoin market with over 80% share.
Bonk, valued at $2 billion, has 980,000 holders and integration into 400 plus Solana apps.
Well, Safety Short will reinvest 90% of Bonk.fun revenue into Bonk purchases, strengthening ties with the memecoin's ecosystem.
Well, US President Donald Trump too is benefiting from the crypto world. He has earned an estimated $2.4 billion from crypto ventures since 2022, according to the New Yorker.
And his earnings span NFTs, token sales via World Liberty Financial, UAE crypto deals, Bitcoin mining, a BTC Treasury company, and a meme coin.
The ventures now account for over 43% of Trump's political era personal wealth.
And this marks a shift from his 2019 criticism of cryptocurrencies, highlighting his growing stake in the industry he now helps regulate.
And now, an interesting update from the exchange space. CoinDCX, India's leading crypto exchange, reported $731.1 million in holdings for July 2025, including $541.64 million in blockchain reserves.
So its crypto investor protection fund rose 16% to 69.74 crore, while TDS payments increased 37.5% month on month to 20 crore.
Registered accounts crossed 2 crores, with spot trading volume surging 109.8%.
So CoinDCX introduced expert picks, trading signals, onboarded more liquidity providers, and listed 5 new tokens, expanding trading opportunities.
Well, that's all in this episode of the Weekly Wrap. This is Murji Sharma signing off.
And this is me, Vishakha Thakur, signing off. For more such updates, do log on to our website www.3versetv.com or scan the QR code. Have a great weekend.